Hello, welcome. In today's lesson, we'll be looking at the topic divisibility by 6. In our previous lessons, we learned about divisibility by 2, 3, 4, and 5. But today we'll be looking at the topic divisibility by 6. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then that means the number is divisible by 6. How do we know if a number is divisible by 2 and 3? Remember we said if you want to check if it's divisible by 2, you have to consider what the last digit. If the last digit is even, then that means it is divisible by 6. And also, if you want to check for divisibility by 3, to check for it, that means you have to do what? You add the sum of the digits. If you add the sum of digits and it is divisible by 3, then that means the number is divisible by what? By 6. So let us check it out. We have the first number here, which is what? 504. But I want you to pause this video and try to check it if it is divisible by 6. Note that you have to check if it is divisible by both what? 2 and 3. So how do we check if it is divisible by 2? For you to check that, you have to check the last what? The last digit. What's the last digit? The last digit here is 4. Is 4 even? Yes, 4 is even. That means what? It is divisible by 2. So how do we check if it is also divisible by 3? For us to check if 504 is divisible by 3, we have to do what? We have to find the sum of the digits. So let us find the sum of the digits. That means we'll add us 5 plus 0 plus 4. So what is 5 plus 0 plus 4? 5 plus 0 is 5 and 5 plus 4 is what? Is 9. So we have this to be 9. Is 9 divisible by 3? Yes, 9 is divisible by 3. When you divide 9 by 3 to give you 3. So that means this number here is divisible by both 2 and it is divisible by 3. So that means this number is divisible by what? By 6. So it is a yes. It is what? It is divisible by 6 once it divides both 2 and 3. Let us take one more example here. The second one I want you to check is what? 408. Is 408 divisible by 2 and 3? Let us find out. Here we have 8. Is 8 an even number? Yes, 8 is an even number. So it has already satisfied the fact that it is divisible by 2. So what about by 3? Let us check it out. If we want to check it out, that means we'll add the digit what? 4, 0 and 8. So let us add 4 plus 0 plus 8. What will 4 plus 0 plus 8 give us? 4 plus 0 equals 4. Then 4 plus 8 equals what? Equals 12. So 1, 2. Let me rewrite my 2. So 4 plus 8 equals what? Equals 12. Is 12 divisible by 3? Yes. 12 is divisible by 3. When you divide 12 by 3 to give you 4. So that means this is a yes. 408 is what? Is divisible by 6. Let us take one more example. And I want you to pause this video and try to solve this last example that we have here. The number here is what? 826. I want you to check if it is divisible by 6. So the first thing you need to check is to check if what? If the last digit is what? Is even. That is, you are checking if it is divisible by 2. So for it to be divisible by 2, the last digit must be even, and this is even. 6 is an even number, but we have to check also if it will be divisible by 3. So for it to be divisible by 3, we have to do what? We add the digits 8, 2 and 6. So what is 8 plus 2? 8 plus 2 equals 10. 10 plus 2 equals what? Equals 16. Is 16 divisible by 3? No, 16 is not divisible by 3. But you remember that it satisfies that it is even, but it is not divisible by 3. 16 is not divisible by 3. That means what? That means the number 826 is not divisible by what? By 6. So try out these questions also. Is 126 divisible by 6? And check if 8028 is divisible by 6. In this lesson, I said if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. Ensure to answer the given question. Thanks for watching.